Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I have a collab with these beautiful talented ladies. There will be a playlist down in the description box, so you can definitely go check it out. There is going to be tons of inspiration. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with the shelf, I'm going to use these two Dollar Tree signs. One says laundry, the other one says wash and dry. To be honest, I wasn't sure what to do with these. These have a different shape, so I was trying to figure out what to do, but then I was like, you know what, these are perfect for a shelf. So I'm going to start by removing the little clips, and I was trying to be very careful and not to tear the paper, but even with me using my blow dryer, is still ripped. So what I decided to do was just remove the paper from the sign. I thought of just doing it from one sign since it looked like I did a very good job on the second one, but I ended up just tearing it from this one too, but I will later do that. For now, I'm going to use two of the Dollar Tree wood crates, and these are the ones that have the little stars. They have different shapes inside, and I was only able to find the ones with the stars, so I didn't like how that looked, so I decided to cover those up using some jumbo popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree. Of course, this is optional. You don't even have to do this, but I personally did not like how that looked, even though I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to see it once it's all glued and you have stuff in there. But I don't know, I decided to just cover that. I use a total of 8 popsicle sticks. I glued 2 on each side. To glue the crates to the signs, I will be using wood glue and a little bit of hot glue because I'm going to leave these drying only for a couple of hours. I'm going to glue the first crate at the bottom, and then depending where you want your second one is wherever you want to put it. I didn't even measure it. I just went ahead and added it almost where it started to curve. Here is where I decided to remove the paper just so it can be even with the other one. I then just glue this on the other side. Now for the little handle at the top, I am going to make a hole using my drill. I didn't have a bigger little thing, so I decided to make like 4 little holes using the drill, and then I used a knife to make it a little bit bigger. And I am going to add a dowel that I already had, but Dollar Tree carries dowels you can use. They are not as thick as this one, but they can still work. Once I had it in there, I measured it on the other side, so then I can repeat the same thing I did to make the hole to this side. Once I had the dowel in there, I seen that the dowel was still a little bit too big, so I decided to cut it. To glue the dowel, I will be using wood glue. After letting it dry for a couple of hours, I am going to paint this using the Waverly Antique wax. And you can leave it this color. I love this color of the Waverly Antique wax, but I decided to go over it with some white chalk paint because then I'm going to sand it down and I want some of this brown to peek through. I absolutely love how Lionette from DIY Beauty on Purpose does this to her furniture. So that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful, and the best part is that you can use this all year round. I decided to do some decor signs for my shelf. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these decor signs, and I'm going to remove the hook and the sticker. Then I'm going to remove the back, and all I'm doing is pushing it until it pops off. I went with a summer decor theme, so I am going to paint this using this beautiful blue color, which is called Laguna from the brand Apple Barrel. And I also painted the back piece white. Now I'm just gonna glue it back to the frame. I am going to set this aside. Now I got this wood cutout last year from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they're gonna carry them this year. I haven't seen them. I know they're carrying some different beach themed stuff, so hopefully they do carry this year. If not, Michael's or Hobby Lobby have some. Now I'm going to paint this using this Delta Creative Serum Coat in the color Surfboard. Then I'm going to go back with the Laguna color and paint all the sides with that. So I accidentally broke it and I tried to glue it, but it looked funky. So what I decided to do to cover that up is add some jute twine around all the little sticks. Now before I glue this, I am going to put Ahoy with these Dollar Tree stickers. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out so cute and it looks so nice on my little shelf. My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of their DIY boat picture frame, and I'm going to just remove the little back and paint this using the same colors I use on my second DIY, which are the Surfboard and Laguna. And I'm going to paint the circle with some white chalk paint. From Dollar General, I'm going to use these stickers. I love the font of these, and I am going to put the word C as in SEA. I did have to play around with these and rearrange them until I like how they look, because they do fit, but they look kind of weird. Like, I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, once I was finished, I just put this back, and that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out so cute, and it looks so cute with the rest of the stuff. For my next DIY, I will be making a garland using these Amazon beads. These are the 20 mm. I'm going to put several of them inside a Ziploc bag and then add some of that paint, the Laguna and surfboard, and just mix them around. In another Ziploc bag, I did paint some of them white. The anchor I will be using is from Hobby Lobby. I actually got that a while back, and I painted that with the Laguna and surfboard. I mixed those together. Now the way I arranged the beads were, I started with 3 of the white beads, then I added 5 of the blue beads, then I went with another white, 5 blue, 1 white, and the rest were blue, whatever I had left over. And the reason I started with the white was because the anchor is blue and I didn't want it to blend in. Now once I had it tied, I didn't want to make a tassel at the end, so I decided to just tie it around and make this circle. And that is it for this garland. I think it turned out so beautiful and it looks so nice right next to the other DIYs. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which one's your favorite, because I would love to know. And don't forget, there's going to be more inspiration down in my description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.